Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to do exponents in Google Docs. I'll actually show you two ways. So one of the ways, you just come click here, click on insert from the top menu, click on equation. Let's do, for example, x squared, right? Now let me get an on-screen keyboard just to show you what's going on. I'll hold shift and I'll press the number 6 to get this up arrow, okay? The up pointing arrow, there we go. And now we will be able to type in up there. Look at this. So I just click on that and then I just enter 2 and that becomes x squared. Okay, and to bring it down, it's very easy. You can just click here at the bottom, or you can also click on the down arrow. Once you press that, we'll bring it back to the bottom and I can type in, for example, plus, hold shift plus the plus button. There we go. Now what I'll do, I'll show you the other way. The other way is by using superscript. So x2, right? I highlight this 2, come here to format, hover over text, and then just choose superscript. Of course, they also have a shortcut, which is control plus period or dot. It also works as well. So there we go. These are the two ways you can do exponents on Google Docs.